Today, but I've managed to find a way to recharge my battery, my one and only battery for the show, so I'm gonna conserve you guys. You guys want to see what my car looks like inside here? Damn!
So I'm gonna do that.
This is what the booth looks like. Okay, for now, since I gotta stick by the booth, I'm gonna give you guys off to my friend Brett. Yeah, enjoy.
Let's go.
I gotta take advantage. Primos are taking pictures in front of my Supra. Oh, bro, that was perfect.
Make sure you put it on your channel, yeah?
For sure, man, yeah. It's been pretty fairly consistent, like just people coming by the booth, but also taking a look at just how many people are here. It's a really good turnout, man. I feel like 2 years, no shows in Calgary, and also venue placement, like last year it had to be outside at a parkade, whereas usually it does happen here at the Olympic Oval, and it's just such a nicer venue for photos. We're inside. I think this might be one of my only chances to walk around, so let's do that.
What do you guys know?
Long time no see.
What's going on, brother?
Mr. Chris. I used to work at Sears with this kid.
Back in the day?
Actually, not even work, man. We were fucking...
We're throwing
shurikens. Yo, one time, he's like, he calls me on the phone, yo, come back, hurry though, hurry. I'm like, what? They have a full like obstacle course inside the trailer. I'm like, how fast can you touch the wall in the back and come back? Like,
as we're closing the door at the same time, like Indiana Jones like walking through.
Oh shit, dude, we did not work at all. These are the guys that hooked me up with this. So sick, appreciate you guys. These are ingenious.
Thank you.
Oh, they got it right here. That's so sick. Bruh. These Odysseys though, and this one is so well put together. I think my friend told me that this is called the Absolute. Yo, this thing is so badass. And it's a VIP. I don't know, guys. I just want to say, quality of the cars here right now are top.
Yo,
Yeah.
favorite Civic to the show. Like, I want one so bad. Aside with the Type R conversion kit.
This is a nice C36. It's a real M3. Hell yeah, mother. shit about Calgary's builds. They are insanely unique. Like what? What? Look at that. Basically a body, like parts of the body are fashion chains. What? With a treasure chest in the back. Yo, let's go visit Quan. He's actually one of the judges for the breakdancing competition here.
Then I know it's down to die. We never fail.
Oh, yo, what up?
Yeah.
So they had beef during the battle. They're gonna dice it out right now in a cipher. It's not a battle. It's just like, yeah, I can't jump in right now. It's just them. Look, they're going. Oh, yeah, just those two. Yeah, it's a whole crew thing too. Yo, you're witnessing a b-boy battle, kind of like a car battle.
What do you know? Earl rolls the weed. I go to the store and get low. Go for your crappy looking at me and girls get back. This is a 10 to 1 chance that you might get smacked.
Same as yours, right?
Oh, it's stock. Hell yeah.
No, honestly.
I'm gonna sell this kid my HKS springs. You guys, sup? Hey, Red Line Sorority.
How's it going?
Oh, thank you guys so much. We'll see you at the opener. And over here, you got these two iconic builds, both SEMA builds. Actually, I don't know if that has been, but this for sure. LJ,
What's up, Birdy?
how's it going, brother? This is sick. God damn, it's like, who wants rust on their car? What? No, also, this guy's one of my AG sponsor buddies, so imagine getting your lip in carbon. That's like an extra 400 bucks a wheel. And this thing, man, LA Lakers colors. We're gonna go visit the infamous booth. I like this. I like the green, bro.
Sir.
Who else brings plants to a booth? What? I'm gonna steal that idea.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Jordan? One for the vlog.
Doing good.
So these guys are actually the ones that helped me make my front splitter. And they got, these are samples.
Yes. Scaled down 50%
That's so
scale.
cool.
Instead of us having big splitters here,
Yeah,
we might as
yeah.
well just show the small
That's pretty
ones.
genius.
But
Or you
yeah,
can put it on kids' vehicles.
a go-kart.
Yeah. Oh, I thought these were the same seats I had in the FRS. Same steering wheel. Actually, these Bride A-list seats are actually super rare. Look who's here. Oh, good seeing you, man. See you later. Yeah, peace, man. Well, guys, that's it. They're doing an awards ceremony right now. But you know what? I don't even build my cars for awards anymore. I build them to drive one. We're just gonna stick around and clean up the booth, make it easy for us to leave this place. And I think we're just gonna do a nice family dinner, you know, a friendly get-together to just relax. I guess the show is over, so you know what that means. It's sushi time! Yeah, we're going for sushi, but rollout time. One day. Please, yes. Chico.ca, man. That thing's badass. These guys just won their game. Yeah. What are you guys doing after? No, man, they're others. Just kidding. For the food. No cameras at the table, bro. This is my phone. What the hell? Guys, we'll get one for the vlogs. Oh yeah. These guys are from Vancouver and they're going back tomorrow, so drive safe. Yes. Thanks for joining us too.
Who the IS was following.
Yeah. You just wanted to be part of the crew.
I got the rollers of music for you. That's it, go on. You say bye-bye. These guys are going back to Toronto now.
Peace out, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Appreciate the help again, Kev.
Appreciate it.
Safe travels, Juan.
Thank you.
We'll be visiting these guys.